Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, like from the beginning to end, so you see me looking busted or whatever. I literally just washed my hair, so that's why I have this towel on. Oh my goodness. So basically this is all I do when I wear my hair under my wigs. Like I put leave-in conditioner in it, and then I kind of just tie it around my head. Sorry, you're on the thing, so I don't know if this is a weird angle. But I just put it, like I wrap my twist around. It may not be the flattest thing to do, but it worked. Okay, so I dropped my phone. Struggle is real. So I wrapped all my hair around my head. I mean, sometimes it's a little bulky back here, but not too bad. I think sometimes if it gets too bulky, I'll fix it, but right now I don't think it's bad. And then I'm gonna put my wig cap on, which smushes it even more. And that's pretty much all I do to have my hair under my wigs. So now I'm gonna put this wig on. I've worn her already. Literally, she has so much product in it. The baby hairs are almost already laid, so I'm gonna put this on real quick. It's a newer wig. It's a 4x4 wig, not like newer as in like they just came out with this, but like a new one for me. I wanted to do a 4x4 because it's just super simple to install. You don't have to do the most, so I just like plop it on. The only thing is, like with 4x4 wigs, for me right now with this wig particular, like the ear tabs are so uncomfortable. Like they sit on top of my ears. I don't know if that means like the wig cap is too small. I literally need to wash this wig because this is a lot of product up here. But I'm gonna make it work. Like what is that? What is that? But yeah, so the ear tabs kind of just sit on top of my ear, so that's not cute. But I'm not gonna be wearing this for like a long time. I'm just gonna wear it for today, so it shouldn't be that bad. So what I'm gonna do, since I already have baby hairs, I'm just gonna clip the sides back so that I can lay these down again, even though they're kind of laid in a sense because I'm not that good at baby hairs. But you know, I make it do what it do. Let me grab my Got2b. So this is the easiest way to install your wigs, especially with the 4x4. Let me see, let me get this comfortable and situated. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna grab my edge brush, and then we're gonna spray this down. I gotta make sure that this is even. Does it look even? Let me look straight forward. So yes, it looks even. So now we're gonna spray it. I like to spray the middle part, wherever the part is, spray there first and press it down. Because you want that to lay as flat as possible, because I feel like that's the first thing people look at is your part. And then we're just gonna spray all the lace. And now I'm going to do the baby hair part. Everything is so hard because I have so much product in this wig, but I didn't want to wash it because I just want something quick, like to install real quick. Literally people are gonna be like, dang, your hair is hard as a rock, girl. I hope you guys can see that because I'm trying to look at the mirror and do this. I got that lean, like, hey shawty, let me holla at you for a minute. Like, what am I doing? Anyways, let's do this sign. There we go. I guess that's okay. You're not gonna really see it once I actually like curl my hair, so we're just gonna leave it like that. That's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna tie my edges down. So I'm just gonna grab my little edge scarf. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. And I think I'm gonna curl my hair since I didn't cover any of the hair. I'm gonna heat up my curling iron, which I should have already been doing. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know what this is. Whatever size this is, that's what I'm gonna use. This is from Conair. So let me heat this up. All right, so I'm gonna start curling. I feel like this is the worst angle. Like you see all of my double chins, all my chins, all of them. So I try to brush out the product as much as possible. See, and it's turning white. And I'm like, that is not cute. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. And I don't know. Hopefully I make this work because right now I feel like I should have washed it instead of being lazy. But I gotta make it work. So I'm gonna start off with the bottom section first. So I'm gonna clip this out of the way. And for this side, I like to curl away, and then this side, I like to curl away. So I don't know, it just looks really, really nice when you do that. So I should curl this real quick. So as I mean when I say curl away, so curl away from your face. You know, leave it on for a couple seconds. I really like this wig. I just feel like it's not as long as I expected it. I got it in a 22-inch and I feel like it is short, like hella short. Like I feel like it should be longer than this, or maybe I'm just so used to super long hair, but I got it in a 22. I feel like I've had longer 20-inch hair. So I was super confused when I got it. I was like, man, this looks short. So I like to pull it off like this. You can add a pen to it so that it'll pull, like, you know, up there, but it's okay because I'm gonna comb out these curls anyways. So I'm gonna keep curling my hair. This is gonna take forever. Do you see this pimple, by the way? Literally, I had the clearest skin because I was doing the most. Like, I have a new skin routine. I may do a video on that. And my skin was popping. And then out of nowhere, this pimple came and started to be a hater. I'm like, wow. Thanks. But it's my fault. I tried to pop it, and then I have like a couple here too. It sucks. So I'm just gonna curl the rest of my hair. Maybe I'll show you guys when I get to like the front part. But I'm gonna listen to some music, so I can't do that while recording on my phone. So I'll be back when my hair is curled. All right, so I'm on the last section of this part. So this whole side is curled. I'm gonna let it cool some before I start like combing it out. But I'm gonna not flat iron, but put some heat on the top so maybe the white will go away. I hope, because people are gonna be like, what is going on with your hair? So hopefully that helps. But this is what the curls look like. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like I did so good. Maybe it's all that product in my hair. So I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. And then we're gonna do our makeup. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the makeup. I'm going to put the Milani foundation and my concealer and powder. You guys see me do this a tons of times, so I'm gonna skip over this part. And if you wanna see me apply this foundation, I do have a video on that, and I'll leave it in, I guess, a bubble up here or in the description box if I remember. Hopefully I remember, so you guys can check it out. So let me put on a foundation really quickly, so I'll be back. All right, so I have my base on. I finished my foundation, so I'm going to go into the Tartist palette, and I'm gonna go into Bold, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna use that as a base, like all over my lid. I always love to do a base. It helps me blend a lot easier. So we're gonna do that really quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the same palette and I'm gonna go into a crease color. I guess I'll use this brush, and it is the color Edgy, which is this one. It's just a deep brown. It looks light in the pan, but like once you put these colors on, they're super pigmented. So like a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna sweep that into my crease. But I'm gonna go all the way. Usually I just stay on the outer corner, but today I'm gonna go all the way because I want to do a little bit of a cut crease, like a easy cut crease, I guess. Yeah, this color is super dark. I wasn't expecting it to be this dark, actually. And I'm gonna make sure I have a lot on the outer corner because I love when it's on the outer corner. So just keep blending until you get the desired color and the desired, what is it called? Blendage, I guess that's the word. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so this video won't be like 50 years long. All right, so I have the brown down. I'm going to blend it out with my contour powder, which is Mocha Mami from Fenty. I feel like this brown is a little bit too cool for my eyes, so I kind of want to add a little bit of warmth in there. I don't know, I really like warm tone eyeshadows on me because I feel like it looks better. So I'm just gonna blend that in. I think that is good. I'm really trying to focus it like this way, just to like make my eyes look a little sharper, a little more sexy, you know? So that's what I have. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to, I guess, fake a crease. I don't know if I'm gonna do it for real, or I'm gonna fake a crease. Let's try the fake crease first. So I'm gonna go into the color that I put all over my lid, and we're just going to press it down where you would put your cut crease. I may have to go in a lighter color, but we'll start with this. But like, do you see what I'm doing? Probably not, because this color is not showing up that well. I mean, it's getting there. I need a lighter color. Let me see. So I'm gonna try from the Juvia's Place this color right here. I think this would be light enough. So we're going to try this color. It has a little bit of shimmer in there too, so that's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna pack it on. Yeah, this is a lot better. You can actually see it. I feel like this is the way to fake a cut crease without using concealer, because sometimes for me concealer gets really messy, so I kind of just cheat everything. I just realized the air is on. Hopefully it's not too loud. Hopefully it's not, because it's so freaking hot in here. You guys already know that. So just keep packing this on so it looks like you kind of cut the crease. You know, I'm all about the finesse beauty, like finesse the look 100%. So I'm gonna do the other eye as well, and then I may darken the crease a little bit because I feel like I'm losing that color. And then we're gonna line our lids. I'm so excited. I like to do stuff really quick, but it looks like I did a crap ton. So let me do this eye. I'll be right back. I'm leaving the fan on, so sorry if it's super loud, but I'm gonna go into the contour shade and I'm gonna put it on my bottom lash line just to bring the look together. I feel like I should add maybe like a dark shade, maybe a darker brown in the inner corner just to give it some dimension, because I feel like that it's kind of all coming together. So I may add a darker shade. I low-key feel like I want to wear yellow today because I was gonna wear this shirt, but then I'm like, I'm not feeling it. I want to wear that mustard yellow flannel, and I feel like I'm gonna be burning up, but at the same time I feel like I'm gonna look real cute, so I kind of want to do that, so I may do that. So I'm gonna go into a darker brown. I'm so nervous about this because I always feel like I can mess it up in 2 seconds. So we're gonna slowly add. Oh, this is the dark brown from Juvia's Place, that same palette. It's right next to the light shade that we put on. I put on for my city, on for my city. That's an old song. Okay, it's not terrible. It's giving me something. It's giving me smoky. It's giving me sultry. Okay, I'll leave it at that. I don't want to do too much, so I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so now I'm just lining my eyes. I always love me a good cream liner. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I don't know if BH Cosmetics is still a thing, but I like their eyeliner. My other favorite liner is Tarte eyeliner, which I haven't gotten in a while because it's so expensive. Maybe one day. Oh, and by the way, what I was saying when I was, because I feel like I never finished that, because I was like, I wanted to wear yellow. I feel like I should do some yellow in the inner corner. I think that would be super cute. So I'm like thinking if I should do that. I think I am going to, because I think it'll bring a little bit of something, because this look is very dark and I wasn't expecting it to be this dark. That's real sharp and real long, because you know how like when you mess up your eyeliner you just keep going longer and longer. That's what I just did. So it is what it is. It's very sharp, it's very long, it's very like cut the haters. I think when I close my eyes it looks good, but when I open it, since I have a hooded lid, it's kind of like, but that's all right. So I'm gonna add some lashes. Actually, let's add the inner corner. I'm so nervous. I always get scared that I'm gonna mess up my whole look, and then I'm like, why did I do that? But we're gonna add some yellow, which is my favorite yellow right now from Juvia's Place. It is this yellow right here. So freaking gorgeous. It's a little mustardy, so it'll go well with my shirt. Okay, that's cute. I'm happy I did that. All right, so I'm gonna put lashes on. I'll be right back. All right, so I added some lashes. Now I'm going to add, I was gonna add Praline, but this one is Madeline, which is my favorite lip gloss. I use it all the freaking time. So I'm just gonna put that on real quick. Like, I didn't put highlighter on because most likely I'll have to wear a mask, so it's not necessary. So this is the finished look, the get ready with me. I'm probably gonna change. I don't know if I'll show you guys my outfit, if it's cute. If not, I'm just gonna keep this shirt on. And I know you guys seen this shirt, which was in the Shein haul, my latest one. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of powder to my my part, just so it can blend a little bit, because we don't want to be clogged. This is just the same powder I used on my face, which is Black Radiant, and I kind of like to just blend it in with my finger. But now I have a part, because before I feel like I didn't even have a part. Very nice, very nice. So let me zoom out. All right, so now you guys can see the full finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the get ready with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. That was really high pitch, but see you guys in my next one. See ya.